Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to install Windows 10 Pro final version in VMware. So open VMware, click on create a new virtual machine, then select typical and click on next button. I have ISO file of Windows 10 Pro final version, so I'm going to select this one. If you have DVD, then you can choose this installer disk option. Okay, so for now I'm going to choose installer disk image file ISO. Click on browse, then I have it on my desktop, so I'm clicking on desktop, then select the ISO file, click open, then click on next button. Now select Microsoft Windows, and I hope there should be okay, so it is Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, select this one as my Windows 10 profile version is 64-bit, so I selected this one. If you have 32-bit, then you can select this. Okay, then click next button. You can rename your virtual machine, but I don't want to rename it for now. Then click on browse and choose your folder where you want to save your installation file. I'm going to select D drive. I'm going to make a new folder. Then here I'm going to write Windows 10. Okay, and this will be my uh, folder for Windows 10 profile version. Okay, then click next and decrease the disk size. I think 12 GB is enough for this. So as you can see, a recommended size for Windows 10 at 60 GB, but I'm not going to write here 60 GB. Okay, so just write 12. Okay, then click on next button now, and then finish. Okay, then click here, power on this virtual machine. Process has been started. Okay, so this is the first setup window. Choose your language and click on next button. Then click install now. Setup is starting. Here you need to put your activation key, or you can simply skip this step for now. So I'm going to click skip, and click this box. I accept license term. If you have time, you can read these term and condition of Windows. Then check this box, click on next button, then click here install Windows only advanced. Okay, here you can see your 12 GB disk. So click on new button, and then click on apply, click OK. Okay, and then select this one. So this is system reserved, so you can't use this. Um, This is partition 2 where we are going to install Windows 10 Pro. Okay, select this and click on next button. This is very similar when you install your operating system by booting your USB or DVD. Okay, so click on next button for now and your setup has started. Okay, it will take some time, I think. So I'm pausing the video for now. I will come back later. Okay guys, so the installation is almost done. It is now with finishing up. Okay, so now Windows needs to restart. Okay, so let it restart. As you can see, I'm using VMware Workstation 11. Okay, so if you want the download link of this version, then you can find the link in the description of this video. I think it will take some time, so I'm going to pause this video once again and I will come back later. Okay. As you can see here, getting devices ready, 87% has completed. Okay. After completing 100%, you will see this screen. Simply click here, do this later. Okay. Then click in here, use express setting. And again, just a moment. Okay, then write your username. Like I'm going to write here source. If you want to put password, then you can write here. Otherwise, you click the next button. So the window is setting up. So the window has started. Now it is asking, do you want to allow your PC to recoverable by click yes. Okay. As you can see that we have successfully installed Windows 10 Pro final version. Okay. Now so this is how you can install Windows 10 Pro final version in your VMware, and you can also follow these steps for installing your Windows 10 Pro final version in your hard disk. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video.